Hello everyone, Nasir here from Financial Markets Club. This video is going to be an update on gold. Gold has done really well since my last video actually. It's gone up from around the 1900 level up to 1990, so almost touching 2000. So that's a handsome catch there if you manage to do this buy. That's about $90 there. But I think we're about to face some turbulence here on gold. As you can imagine, nothing ever goes up in a straight line. There's always going to be some sort of pullback, So I'm expecting the price to sort of pull back at some point, and I think we're very near this time. I'm going to zoom out here onto 1 hour. Yeah, so I can see since the price has bounced off this 1900 level, the price there hasn't been a significant pullback of any kind. And there seems to be a trend line that's formed over here. So what I'm looking for at the moment is this trend line to be retested, and I feel there's a high possibility that this trend line will be challenged and it will be broken. And if this trend line is broken, I could see gold pulling back down to somewhere around 1920 or possibly lower to around 1900. It sounds a bit extreme, I know. I don't really like the idea of gold coming down back to 1900 again for a third time. At the end of the day, I want this to go up to around 2100-ish. But I think there's a high chance that gold will be pulling back down towards 1920-ish, around here at least. There onwards, I'd look to stand on the side and watch and see if it does go any lower. As you can see, I've got a smaller trend line here, which I'm looking for it to be broken, which seems to be happening as I'm making this video. Looking at a few technical indicators like my MACD and RSI that I use quite often, they're showing me some sort of divergences going on, so I would expect this to sort of continue down towards this trend line. And I want this bigger trend line to be broken. I'm overall bullish on gold. Don't get me wrong, I'm not changing my stance on this, but I'm expecting a pullback for now. So I would keep my buy positions and perhaps throw in a sell position to mitigate some of that downward movement and preserve some of my profit. So as you can see on my last analysis, which was about gold going from around 1900 to 2100, it's not a smooth ride up. There's always ups and downs, and there's lots of opportunities on the way. You can see a number of different trend lines going on here. I don't really make videos on these smaller opportunities. My videos are for the medium-term picture. If you want to know more about these smaller trades, these opportunities, then I would recommend you joining my signal service on Telegram, where I will broadcast these short-term trades that I'm actually executing. So it just gives you a lot more opportunities to trade and preserve your profit. Or if you're a medium to long-term trader investor, then you just want to follow these videos and look at the bigger picture. I personally like to have a bigger picture and then sort of work on the smaller trades that I get on the journey. So I just maximize my profit like this. So for now, just to wrap it up, expecting gold to come down somewhere around 1920-ish, possibly lower. Thanks for watching my video, guys. I really appreciate you following my analysis. Please do not go and trade based on this analysis. I highly recommend you watch my previous videos, see how those analyses worked out, if they were fruitful or not, and make a judgment on my accuracy rate, and only then think about trading. I'd really appreciate it if you could click the subscribe button down below and possibly click the bell icon as well. And please do share this analysis. There's a lot of money in the markets. There's enough for everyone to have a piece of the cake. So share this analysis and help each other out.